Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I'm excited today to have you guys here. Happy Sunday. Today is Lucky Sunday. So if you're new here, Lucky Sunday is basically any challenge that are super close to getting done or being done. And they play here, depending on how many there is to be done. They play here to see who is gonna get lucky. And today I only have $20, you guys. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's see Mini Mondays. Let's see what challenges we have for Mini Mondays. Also, guys, don't forget to check my Instagram post. I reveal 4 of the colors officially, which 4 colors I am doing for my binder that are launching next month, the end of next month. Let's do this one. Why not? So this one, this one's far away. Oh, we're definitely doing this one. This one's not bad. This one, we haven't even started it yet. This one's not too bad. Let's do this one. Okay, so those are for Mini Mondays. Now let's check Fridays. I'm gonna show you right now though the colors. Okay, give me 1 second, but I will share with you. So those colors will be available at the end of May. I know you guys been asking, Yancy, what are the colors? What are the colors? This one is gonna get skipped. This one's gonna get skipped. Definitely skipped. This one we're close. So let's do this one. How far are we away from this one? Ooh, we're pretty far away from that one. Okay, so I guess that's it. Those are the ones that are gonna get lucky today. So let's see how it goes. Let me line them up. We can take a picture and then we can chit chat a little bit. All right, here we go. Let's see how it goes, you guys. Okay, so this one is from Banana Budget. Okay, this is from my Ko-Fi shop, Budgeting My Debt. Okay, so I guess we're playing with 4 today. So, and then same thing, Budgeting My Debt. And then this one is Budget with Amanda. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's just take a cute thumbnail picture, shall we? 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, let me show you the colors. All right, first thing first is going to be the color. Let me, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first thing first, it's going to be a brown. So this is the brown color that you are going to receive or see. Camera's not gonna do justice, but that's the brown. This one right there, that's the brown. I know camera won't do justice. And then the next one is going to be the charcoal gray, which is this one right here, charcoal gray. Oh, I love that charcoal gray. And then the other one is the periwinkle blue. Okay, the periwinkle blue, which you guys have seen. I have it already. Okay, so the next one is the periwinkle blue. Look, is that one, periwinkle blue, which is this one right here. And then last but not least is going to be that icy lilac. That icy lilac. I call it icy lilac. Okay, so so yeah, so those are the colors that are going to be available at the end of May. If you're wondering, I didn't see them good. I know you didn't. It's a sneak peek, but you guys been seeing it. This is the periwinkle blue. You guys been seeing it. And then this is the icy lilac. It's not really icy lilac. I probably should change the name to lilac. I don't know. I will see. I'll probably change it to just regular lilac. It's not even icy. But what do you guys think of the colors of the name? So charcoal gray, brown, periwinkle blue, and icy lilac. I probably just do lilac. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Or if you come up with a name, let me know. So yeah, anyways, if you want to look at the picture, I did a closer sneak peek of the binders there. So if you want to look at it, go to my Instagram. All right, let's get started. Let's see how it goes. We have number 2. All right, starting off with number 2. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1. Awesome. 2. 2. Oh my gosh, don't tell me 2 is going to take it all. 1. 1 and 2. Okay. 3. 1. Oh no. 1. You're kidding. You guys, sometimes it's like that. It happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, shut up. You're kidding. 4. Yay. Finally 4. 1. Oh my gosh, you're kidding. 3. 4. Okay, good. Yay. 4. We need more 3 and 4. More 3 and 4. Yay. 3. Come on. 1. Oh my goodness, you guys. 2. Oh my gosh. 3. And the last one goes to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's get started. Let's see how we did. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this one is $2 each and I only got 3. So that means that I'm only going to be able to do $2. Why am I folding this? Okay. So $2 on this one. And we have a leftover of $1. Oh my gosh. That's so sad. But that's okay. Maybe for Mini Mondays, which will be tomorrow again. Guys, time goes by so quick. Like so quick. This month is almost over. What is going on? Time is flying by. Okay, so there's that one. We weren't able to get it lucky. That's okay. But this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is exactly the same amount that we needed. Oh my gosh, you guys, we completed this one. 2 and 4. And this goes towards, let's see, my debt. There's nothing in the back, so it's going towards my debt. So yay. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. $18 towards my debt. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Yes. And you know what that means? That means that we're bringing in a new challenge and I have to do this. I have to do the overthinking and budgeting donut. Do not stop believing. Don't stop believing. You know that song? Okay. All right. Each letter is going to be $2 for me. So $2. I don't know how much that is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, $36. So $36 we're gonna save. Yes, ma'am. Woohoo! New challenge. Awesome. So that's gonna be for tomorrow, Mini Monday. Awesome. All right. Here's this one. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, we can do that 5. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, well. Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, we can do this 5. Oh, man. If we would have gotten $1 more, we could have done that 6 because that's the highest. But that's okay. Okay, that one didn't get lucky. But maybe tomorrow it will because this is for Monday. Mini Monday. Okay, and last but not least, let's see how much this one got. Oh my gosh. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It got 8. Oh my gosh, I can do 2. Look, I can do the 6 and the 2. That's 8. So now we have left 5, 4, and 1. Oh yeah. We're definitely gonna get that completed soon. Hopefully this week. And this is for Father's Day gift. Oh my gosh, but this envelope here, honey, it is thicker than a Snicker. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh. The struggle's real. Oh my gosh. Let me redo this. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is too much ones. Okay. All right. Well, let me put them back how it's supposed to be. You guys, I'm telling you, this is too thick. I have no idea how much money I have already. Probably like 60 bucks maybe. I don't know. But oh my goodness. Poor little envelope. You'll see this? Poor little envelope. Oh well. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. I was able to complete one. Yay. All right, let's put those bad boys up. So yeah, are you guys excited for the new binders? Let me know, what binder are you thinking of getting? Are you getting 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, all 4 of them. What are you doing? I'm just kidding. But hey, you never know. I've had people before in my previous launches get all 4 colors. So I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. What a blessing. Like literally. Oh my goodness, so excited. Okay. All right, awesome sauce. Okay, guys, we'll see you back again tomorrow for Meeting Mondays. Thank you so much for spending your time. You guys know your time is precious, and I appreciate you spending it with me. And y'all take care. Love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Y'all are amazing. And I see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Have a great Sunday.